Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about the euro versus the US dollar before the ECB, because the price action signaled that the sellers are exhausted, signaled that maybe we'll have a new leg higher, swing higher in the short term. So here is the disclaimer, and please read it. And if you have questions, if you want to contact us, if you have a message or something, please send an email to support. Okay, so let's take a look on the euro versus the US dollar. But first of all, later today we'll have the ECB. So the main refinancing rate is expected to be increased from 0.50% to 1.25%. Don't forget that the monetary policy statement and the ECB press conference could bring high volatility and sharp movements. Also later we'll have the Powell's remarks and speech could bring some volatility on the euro versus the US dollar. Unemployment claims. So but the ECB is seen and represents the major event of the day, the most important event and the high impact event. So please take a look here on the 15 minutes chart. Its failure here to make a new lower low, to activate and to confirm a potential deeper drop and downside movement, downside continuation, breakout right now above this immediate downtrend line, signaling that maybe the downside movement ended and the price could jump higher, could come back higher. And right now it's traded right above parity. It stands below 1.0017, 1.0018. And this sideways movement could represent an accumulation consolidation before extending its rally in the short term. So technically, euro versus US dollar could jump higher, could come back higher, but unfortunately anything could happen later around the ECB, and most likely the price could register sharp movements in both directions. That's why it's risky to place a trade, because I don't know if I would have liked to, or if I would have placed an order here. Maybe I would have liked to go long here and to hide my stop loss here below these lows. But as I've said, the volatility could be high, and euro versus US dollar could register sharp movements, and I don't know, it could drop and then to re-raise potential losses and then to continue to move higher. So that's why it's risky to trade this on this market right now, before and during the ECB. And yeah, maybe I will look for something else right after the ECB. And yeah, technically and only technically here the price could jump higher, could develop a larger rebound after it's a strong rally, retreat, accumulation, consolidation. Okay, right now we are in a resistance zone also here, because we have these all these former highs as resistance levels. Don't forget that's also 1.0000. The parity represents an upside obstacle, so it remains to see how it will react here in the short term. But after maybe taking out this dynamic resistance, technically the price signaled the potential larger growth in the short term. But as I said, no one knows what will really happen around the ECB. Anything could happen. I don't know, maybe the rate hike is already priced in, okay? Or I don't know, it remains to see. Monetary policy statement, ECB press conference, more hawkish than expected press conference, or a dovish press conference, neutral conference. Could have a big impact on euro versus the US dollar. It remains to see. That's why we'll have to wait, or actually personal wait, and I'll stay away for now, and before I will take action. Okay, don't forget that despite a larger rebound, the bias remains bearish. Okay, here on euro versus the US dollar. And of course I will look for new shorts after this rebound and rally will be over. Okay, thank you guys, and don't forget to visit our website, Learn to Trade, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to follow us on Instagram and Forex Signals. Learn to Trade Forex Signals. Bye bye.